Good morning, first graders. It is Thursday, September 10th. Today you will have music. One more day of it. We've got today and tomorrow. The national holiday is one that is just near and dear to my heart. It is National Alpaca Day. So I've got my little, alpaca, llama. I kind of think they're the same thing. Right here, he's going to be with me all day long. You'll also find an Art for Kids Hub video on how to draw an alpaca or a llama. So that's something fun you could do today. There's a read aloud in our slides coming up. You're going to learn how to do something new in Schoology, which is create your own video and upload it to one of our discussions. I can't wait to see how that goes. A couple other fun things in there for you to do. Check out the slide at the end. I want you to pick 3 activities from that slide to do again today. Some of them are a little bit different than yesterday, so see if you can notice the differences. I've also uploaded on the side, you'll see, of our screen here when our live meetings are today. So hopefully there's no confusion. I will get to see you 3 times today. I'm so excited. Have a wonderful Thursday, and I will see you guys in just a little bit for our morning meeting. Sayonara.